How many 4-digit perfect squares? How many 4-digit perfect squares has a tens place 3? Please write down another variety. How many 4-digit perfect squares has a tens place 3? These, most of the students, these came in one of the mocks right from the reputed organization. Half page solution is there. This is a 20-second problem. Tens place 3. This should be 3. A perfect square will never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. It cannot end with 0. Any perfect square ending with 1, tens place is even number. Any perfect square ending with 4, tens place is an even number. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is always 2. So what is the number left? It cannot be 9 also. Tens place is even. This is 6. 36. 6 square is 36. 50 minus 6. 50 plus 6. 100 minus 6. How many numbers? 3 numbers. Finish. Right? We will do one more question. This I did with tens place odd number. Second question. This is the first one. Second one. Tens place even number. Tens place even number. Wherever state you are in, whichever place you are in, right? Just come online whenever the class happens, listen freely as much as possible and make your dreams come true and make your parents proud. Tens place 4. Directly. This is 4. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. It cannot end with 0. It cannot end with 6. Any perfect square ending with 6, tens place is even. It cannot end with, right, 0, 1, 1 it can end with. Perfect square ending with 1, tens place can be an even. 21 square is 441. Next numbers, 50 minus 21, 100 minus 21, 50 plus 21. First case. Next if it is 4, 4 also it can end. Already we discussed. 12 square is 144. 50 minus 12. 50 plus 12. 100 minus 12. 4 also is possible. 9 also is possible. 49. 7 square 49. 100 minus 7. 50 minus 7. 50 plus 7. You have to be extremely good in speed calculations to get these answers very fast. To get these answers very fast.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.